If you think your smartphone is just glass and plastic, look again. It's actually a tiny mine packed with valuable metals. Inside every phone, dozens of elements work together to keep it running. Copper runs through the circuits because it moves electricity so well. Gold and silver sit in the smallest connectors on the motherboard, keeping signals clean. The battery depends on lithium, cobalt, and nickel to store energy and deliver power for hours. The touchscreen uses indium and tin, letting electricity pass through while staying transparent. Speakers and vibration motors rely on rare earth metals like neodymium for strong magnets. Even the vibration you feel comes from a tiny weight made of tungsten. You'll find aluminum in the frame and tin in the solder connecting components. Silicon in the chips acts as the phone's brain. Put it all together, and a single smartphone can contain more than 40 different elements from the periodic table. It's easy to forget how much engineering hides inside something we use every day. Your phone is one of the most complex objects you'll ever carry in your pocket.